walk into camp. There's the nut job who's hacking with an axe before. Put a bushcraft on his phone. Oh no, what's he done? Looks like we've got a teepee fire going. We've had food. Was it good?
It was very good. Thoroughly enjoyed it.
I haven't paid him a thing to say that either.
No.
My shit is everywhere. And now we're probably onto the pipes and whiskey. So we've arrived. My shitty attempt at a Drondike shelter. Samwise Gamgee's still having fun with his tarp. Stew's on, got the fire going. Put hot water for us. And then we'll get sorted. Back at Brockwell Woods. As you can see, it's quite extensive. There are some kids running around over there. Oh shit. But you know, plenty of work to keep us going. Let's have a good one. Maybe a char cloth, why not? Just like Crazy Shoulders. Probably get a load of haters saying this fire's too big, blah, 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 blah. Don't care. It's in a fire pit. I'm not burning the forest down. Fire, baby. Testing out Hermit's idea of burning the bowl down. See how long this fucking takes. But hey ho, I'm not putting in that, mind.
And I'm not taking any credit for it.
And
either.
he's attempting to make a freaking teaspoon. And I'm staying well clear of him.
Or a smaller stick than I started out with.
This is very true.
It's either going to be a spoon or just a smaller piece of wood.
And this is Samwise Gamgee live trying.
Samwise Gamgee the third.
The third. Sorry, the third. He's very specific about it. But we'll see how long it takes. I'm going to leave it there for a while. See if it burns down a bit. If in doubt, it's probably going to get snapped and put in there.
Yeah, probably.
His will end up there looking far sooner than my spoon. So that's worked pretty good, to be fair.
But I would, yeah, I
think
think
not bad.
either if Catherine's mum does go away to see her.
So this is our midnight snack. Irish stew on in the fire in the tins. Sam's cuisine. We'll see how it goes, whether they explode or not. He's thinking they might not, although you can't see him because it's pitch black now. But I'll let you know how it goes, whether I die or not. Who knows? He's got his cappuccino. Sad fucking bastard. I've got my coffee. Grill's on. Bacon's almost on. Smash in. And You've got the forest for breakfast. Can't beat good outdoors. So, Sam's off on a wander, getting some blood flow going. We're just up. As you can see, kettle's on, fire's going. Morning routine is in full swing. Sleeping bags are out. And we're just preparing for some breakfast. Nice party goers that were on the other side of the freaking the wood last night. Dickheads. But enjoying nature, so you can't complain at them much. But it's just what you want. Get away, bit of nature, can't complain. Time for coffee. Yes. So no camp is without its fun stories. This one is the phantom grill. It disappeared. So me and Sam went for a little dander after a bit of breakfast. I took the griddle off the fire, obviously. Didn't want it to burn through and everything. And then going looking for this fox den that we thought it was, or a badger set. Wasn't me, it was an abandoned one, attempted one, but they're all over this forest. Came back to find the griddle had disappeared. Completely gone. Wasn't near the fire, anything. Couldn't see it. Love for love and money. Had a bit of bacon left on it from breakfast. Schoolboy air, I know. Leaving food around the camp. I mean, we're not in bear country here. It's just plain on northeast of England on a managed camping area. Don't think there's any bears around here. Plenty of freaking squirrels though. I mean, Sam's tarp got peppered last night and early this morning with anything and everything. Oh, and there goes a grey squirrel there, launched itself up the tree because it scared the living daylight out of us. And it's going. Oh, almost to the top. But grey squirrels, horrible little bastards. So they're the grey squirrel, or potentially either a magpie. There's plenty of them around here. Crow, rook, hearing all them all night. Although I did hear an owl last night, I was so buzzing and pissed off that I forgot my binoculars, even though I won't be able to see it in the dark really. But eventually, after searching around the entire half of the bloody campsite, which is pretty big to be fair if you've ever been in Brockwell Woods, and it's full of pine trees and spruce and birch and all the rest of that, I found it. Guess where it was? Drum roll please. Next to the friggin' fire. It had been knocked off and obviously having just been used, blended right in. So blended right into the fire and the ash and all the ground next to it. So as I've kicked something, I heard this clang and there's the grill. I feel like I'll probably always make that mistake, but next time I won't. Next time I probably will. But there's the story of the phantom grill of the first camp with Sam, how it disappeared out of sight, never be seen again, only be found right next to the fire where it was before. Damn squirrels. And it's all done. Night in the forest done. Sam's checking out everything he's left. And where are we heading out? Taking all the rubbish with us. Leave no trace, obviously. Cannot leave any trace whatsoever in the woods. As if you've never been here. And the only trace we've left is some few shavings there, and that's it. Bit of a nice thing for anybody who wants to use them. But hey ho.
Yeah, we're good to go, mate.
We're good?
Good to go.
Right, let's rock and roll. So, out of the woods we go. Been a good night. Sam didn't feel too rosy this morning, did you, Sam?
No. Whiskey's nice though.
He cannot drink for shit no more. But never mind. We'll train him back up again. A few more trips and hopefully not too many puking in the forest. But some good food, good crack, nice whiskey. And then back to the reality. If only we'd stay longer. Till next time. Bye.